What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. NTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So I've got the Google Pixel Watch 3 and I'm going to share with you guys the unboxing and my first impressions. I got the 45mm Wi-Fi model the reason why I picked up the larger model, obviously I wanted a larger Pixel Watch. This is the original right here. Just going to put that aside real quick, and then this is the second generation. Again, it's the same size, so I'm going to put that right there just for a moment. But let's get right into this. So I got the matte Hazel case with the Hazel active band, and I'll probably end up switching the band because I'm not a fan of the active band. But let's get this open. So they used to come in like a square box, but now it's more of a rectangle. And what I'm actually going to do is take off my Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra that I've been reviewing as well. So there it is. There is the new box for it. So what does it say? Just pull this tab. Oh, that's actually nice. I like how they did the box. It's like you pull half of it open and then the other half from right here. That is actually really cool. So let's put that aside real quick. And then I also have this that I'm going to show you guys too, the Pixel Watch 3 stand for the from Spigen. So this is, I'm assuming it's the watch itself. So you gotta rip this open. And there we go. We are greeted with the Watch 3 45mm. There we go. Ooh, this is so much better. Just look at it side by side. Much larger, much better. Absolutely, I'm going to be rocking this. This is great. Finally, what we were asking from Google, we finally got it. And then let's check out the band. So it shows the instructions, but let's first take a look at the bands itself. Let's remove them. Oopsies. Let's remove it like that. There's one. And then there is the second one. And then right here we get the instruction booklets. We get another band right here for larger size if needed. So it shows right here how we're supposed to, and there's some paperwork here, but it shows exactly what we need to do to get this connected. So there we have it. Let's go ahead and I think I also missed the other box right here, the charging puck. So let's also put that aside real quick. Oopsies. Let's put that aside. So this is how you're going to be installing it. You're going to take this top portion right here. This is going to be the top half. And looks like I'm going to slide one in and then the other part in. Let's see. There we go. That was actually very easy. And then you know what? I'm going to actually take this band because this one looks much larger. And I'm going to go with the larger band. Yeah, that's what I was rocking last year. So I'm going to go ahead and put that aside. And again, same thing, same concept. So I'm gonna go just like this. Same concept. Should be at least. Maybe I'm doing this wrong? Yeah, I'm doing this wrong. There we go, just like that. So there we have it. Actually, let's put it on before I turn it on. There we go. Oh, that is so much better. That is so much better. It looks much better. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Google side-by-side comparison. That's how it looks. It's great that they finally got this larger 45mm. So what I'm going to do is put these aside real quick. And then while that's booting up, take this puck right here, because I want to show you guys the stand as well. Let's pull this stuff aside, and then let's open the Pixel stand. And this is from Spigen, and I'm just going to get right into it. Open the box, rip apart the box. Rip apart the box if we can. While we're waiting for the Pixel 3 to get started. It's a good thing they made this stand because I really don't, oops, I should have never ripped it. Look at that. But it's a great thing they made the stand because I really don't like when I don't have a Pixel watch stand. So I think I'm gonna wait a little bit longer for that. Okay, there you go. So how to use the nanotech pad. Okay, so it looks like we're just gonna kind of do this. We're gonna slide this just like that. There we go. And I guess slowly take the end of the USB-C cable and peel this just like that. So it's a sticky. It sticks to wherever you want to put it. There we go. Uh-oh. It's already getting tied up real quick. So let's untie that. We don't want this getting tied up. There we go. So what I'm going to do is pull it just like that. Let it sit like, there we go. That's it. And then kind of outsource your USB-C cable. And then we go like this and charge this. Sweet. So let's go ahead and get this started. All right, on your phone, download Google Pixel Watch. So it's not going to be coming up. It looks like I'm going to have to connect it to the Pixel Watch app. So let's see if I have the Pixel Watch app, and it looks like I don't. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that up. So far, I'm liking this Hazel. So it's like a dark gray, but I absolutely love it. I just can't, I can't adore the fact that they finally made a larger Pixel. So I'm going to copy everything. It says continue on phone, so I'm just signing in right now and I'm copying everything to the Pixel Watch. I have to sign in real quick. Okay, so let's see, what wrist is it on? It's on the left. Where's the crown? The right. Okay, yep, we'll do that later. Continue. We'll do Google Pixel stuff later. Let's see, we'll do that later as well. Select apps, we'll do that later as well. Setup complete. And actually, fun fact, this Pixel Watch stand works, oh, it says your watch is ready. It works with the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 2, but it doesn't work with the Pixel Watch. So yeah, that's not gonna work with the original Pixel Watch. You're gonna hit done. Sure, setting notifications, we'll do that later. Dismiss, we'll get started with those stuff later. All right, so it says starting. Nope, I already know how to use it. I want to switch the watch face. Let's do something really nice. Well, let's do this one. Let's do analog bold. And let's change it to a blue. I really like blue. And there we have it. So there is the Pixel Watch 3. Overall, I mean, if you've used past Pixel Watches, you're going to be used to this one too, but just in a larger size, and it has thinner bezels. Although since this is it's using a black background, it looks like it's bezel-less, but obviously later on you're going to notice the bezels. And just looking at it right now, it's very smooth. I really do like it. I think Google has been doing a pretty good job, and they're integrating Fitbit and all that stuff in here. So right now it's looking pretty good. So it says 70% battery life. I want to try out the battery life and see how well this performs. And obviously this, I don't think is gonna, it shouldn't be competing with the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, but instead like the Galaxy Watch 7, as well as the Apple Watch Series 10. I don't have my hands on the Series 10. If you want to see Apple Watch Series 10, let me know in the comments down below. But again, I'm going to be putting this on just like this. There we go. And there you have it. There is a Pixel Watch on the wrist. Absolutely love how it looks. Now is the perfect time to get the Pixel, in my opinion, to pick the Pixel Watch especially. And that's mainly because of the size. You now get a 41 millimeter and this 45 millimeter. And seriously, It's super bright. It gets super bright. It's super smooth. It's going to work very well, especially if you use a Pixel. But if you have another, Android device, it's also going to work really well with that. But Google's doing some good things and they're headed in the right direction. I hope they keep it up. I really do love round watches, round smartwatches too. This is like the closest thing I feel to the original Moto 360, the 2014, 2015 Moto 360. Like, I feel like this is the closest thing that resembles it, in my opinion. I mean, if that made a comeback, that would be really cool. But this is, again, like I said, I feel the closest. IP68 water resistant. It has it right here, Pixel Watch 3, 45 millimeter water resistant. So it's good to see that stuff. There's a bunch of health sensors and all that. So if you're going to use it to track your steps and for exercises, this is going to be a good watch, and it's going to work seamlessly with your Android device. I'm super excited to check it out. If you did enjoy this video, definitely be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. And these types of videos are all thanks to you guys. I'm able to review the latest tech. I'm able to kind of take my passion and turn it into like my full-time gig because of you guys. Thank you all so much for supporting the channel. It really does mean a lot. That's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.